What's up guys? Today we're going to be installing an awesome thing for my other vehicle you guys haven't seen yet. It's going to be pretty awesome. It's going to keep me from rubbing anymore, which is super annoying. Even though I'm going to bump my lift up to an 8-inch, this will still help, and I like the look of it on trucks I've seen, so I'll show you what it is. We have the Wicked bumper spacer, and it's I think it's the 1.3 inch, something like that. It's like their largest one they offer, but it comes with all new hardware, and this is all my stock stuff because my bumper was off while I was in the shop. So there was like these little tabs I had to pull off in order to get the old bolts off, and that was not fun. Got these, they go on the side of the bumper, and then you get the new bolt and the spacer, and that goes through the bumper like that. And then this is the back of the bumper on the tow hooks. Essentially it's just pushing your bumper out that much farther once it's all tightened, obviously. Oh, and there's a washer. Can't forget the washer, you know. Can't forget that. That looks better. Some pretty quality stuff. It's really heavy. Pretty sure it's billet. I don't know. Got one side in very loosely. Man, that was not fun. This bumper is so heavy, and the only thing it was resting on is the tow hooks, so I had to angle it and everything because you can see it's like way off. And then we still gotta put the bolts back in the fender well and plug stuff in and do the other side. And this is pretty great. So my single stabilizer that I shouldn't even have is not connected, and I still need to get a dual steering stabilizer and clean all this up. It's just covered in oil and grossness. done. So you can see way more spaced, way more. Definitely gonna clear. I don't know, hopefully this will fall back into place after a while. It's just a little bent, but we're good. So you can see the body line, way more clearance. I already trimmed the valance, so everything should clear just fine. In the back, took off the caps, should clear. If not, I might have to trim the bottom tab right here just a little bit, but should be good. Alright, so here's a little walk around of the truck before we end this video. It's on a 6-inch super lift with Fox 2.0s. Still got overload leaf back in there. Got 26 by 16 American Force Origins on 37 RBPs. No spacers. Sticks out quite a bit. It's got some Tiger bed cover. Works pretty good. Looks good for a long bed. Six-inch super basic, just a radius arm drop. We're gonna be changing all this soon. A 5-inch straight pipe to axle dump with a 10-inch tip. Super dirty. Just got this thing back from Ford, so it's filthy. You know, still rocking that spare tire. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Kind of a pain in the ass, but I haven't worked on a truck in a while, so it feels good to do something to it, get it back to where it goes. Next video, probably wash it up because it's filthy. Just to update you guys, we're going to be going with some parts from ProFab, DBA lighting, FOA, bunch of stuff coming. We may have a little bit more toys coming. We'll see. Trying to sell our camper right now, so we'll see how that goes. But stay tuned. See you guys in the next video.